On Sunday, June 2nd, that is yesterday, Israel launched an air attack on the Syrian city of Aleppo. The strikes, which occurred overnight, were reported by Syrian media to have taken place around 12:20 am local time. Citing a military source, Syrian state media announced that the air attack led to several fatalities and some material damage. Early on Monday, June 3rd, the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, an NGO, reported that at least 12 pro-Iranian fighters of Syrian and foreign nationalities were killed in an Israeli airstrike on a position in the town of Hayyan, north of Aleppo. This strike set off strong explosions in a factory located in the area. In a statement, the Syrian Ministry of Defense detailed that after midnight, the Israeli enemy launched an air attack from the southeast of Aleppo, targeting some positions near the city. They added, the aggression caused several martyrs and material damage. This recent airstrike marks the second attack by Israel on Syria in less than a week. Previously, on May 29th, Israeli air attacks targeted Syria's central region and the coastal city of Banias. These attacks claimed the life of a child and injured 10 civilians, according to Syrian state media. For years, Israel has conducted strikes on what it describes as Iran-linked targets in Syria. Tehran's influence in Syria has grown significantly as it has supported President Bashar al-Assad throughout the civil war that began in 2011. In April of this year, Iran retaliated by launching missiles at Israel. This was in response to a presumed Israeli strike that destroyed a building within Iran's embassy compound in Damascus, killing several Iranian officials, including a top general. These ongoing hostilities underscore the escalating tensions in the region. The conflict between Israel and Iran, played out on Syrian soil, continues to cause significant destruction and loss of life for the destabilizing an already volatile region. As the situation develops, the world watches closely, hoping for a resolution to the conflict and a cessation of violence. For now, the cycle of retaliation and aggression remains unbroken.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.